Hey guys, guess what? I won a prize on Instagram. Yes, this is what I won. This beautiful wallet. Let me bring you up a little bit. This is my first time ever winning anything on Instagram. It is a Bella Taylor cash envelope wallet. Yes. Cash envelope wallet features 6 card slots, 2 ID windows, checkbook slot. People still use checkbook, I guess so. Pen loop, receipt or coupon slot, 8 labeled cash receipt slots, pre-printed labels, zip coin pocket. Yes. So they had a giveaway and they had a question on Instagram and they asked, what is your best budgeting tip? And I won. Guess what my answer was? My answer was to just START. And I won. Because that's all you have to do is just start. Because you're going to have to tweak it as you go. Because life changes every day. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is my wallet that I presently have. Let's see the difference. It's taller. It's about an inch taller. So yeah, it's a nice size wallet. You still can't hardly see it. Let me pull you on up. Pull you guys on up. There we go. Can you see the difference? So yeah, it's about an inch taller than the wallet I already have. I'm gonna give this wallet to my daughter. So let's go ahead and open this up. You have the little clasp. I guess it's a clasp to open it up. And I love the what is this? It's a microfiber. You get to choose the type you the kind of wallet you want. I just wanted a black one because you know I'm kind of simple. So I just got the black one that looks kind of like basket weave to me. Has some, you know, texture on it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. Yeah. So yeah, so you open it up. Let me take this off first. I was so surprised when I won. I just happened to be scrolling through Instagram. It was like, at Saving Mrs Vee, you won. I'll give away. I was like, yes. Okay, and so you open it up. And so these are the 2 ID windows that it spoke of. And the name of the channel is Cash System Wallet. I think that's it. Yeah, Cash System Wallet. But their website is cashsystemwallet.com. And so it has a slot here. And those 2 slots for your ID. Of course, you got a place for your pen. Then it has a place for all my cards. None of them will be credit cards, though. It's nice and I like the way it feels. Yeah, it seems like you can wipe it off. So I guess that's why it's microfiber. So yeah. So that's that compartment. Then on to the good part. Unzip this bad boy. And voila. Woo, this is a budget. This is budget in heaven right here. So it has groceries, gas, babysitter, restaurants, entertainment, savings, utilities, clothes, household, and coupons. Okay, I probably have to make some of my own. I may have to rewrite some of these because I know I'm gonna have groceries. What else do I have? I don't have any of these other ones. Coupons. Household. I do household. And so I won't be using any of those. So yeah. So you just can you see that you just slide your label. It has a little slot and you just slide it right there. Oh, that's neat. Can you see it? I'm gonna have to do it another way. Let me just set the wallet up and then I'll change the angle of my camera. I'll be back. Alright guys, here is the wallet. Like I said, it has a compartment right here. I just put most of these are reward cards. They're not no credit cards. They're not credit cards or anything. And then I just put the rest of them down here. Then, you know, you have your ID. I'm just covering up my ID. So yeah, and of course you got a place for a pen. Let me put a pen in there. Hold on. Now I have a pen in here. Look at how pretty it is. I like this wristlet. It's a wristlet also, and it's made of fabric, so it's washable. That's what I like about it. So look at the detail on it. Bella Taylor. So cash envelope. So we have household, personal, spending. Has the little slot. And then I like how deep it is. You can't see my money till you actually open it. So spending, the money is in the front of the wallet. So the like household, you put the money in front of the word, not behind it. So household would be in this area. Nothing's in household. Personal, nada. There's my money for spending. Then we have Dollar Tree. Restaurants, instead of eating out, I just use the restaurant tabs. Then we have groceries. Then we have place for coupons. And then back here is just receipts and cards. And I have this cute clear envelope for my receipts to keep it separated from like business cards. And I got this cute envelope from Cassie J and Cynthia's Creations. They have their own website where they make cash envelopes also. I'll link their website in my description box and follow them on Instagram. So yeah, I'm loving my little wallet. Thank you to Cash Wallet Systems for gifting me this cute wallet, and thank you guys for coming along as I set it up. So this is a budgeter's dream right here. I'm moving on up in the budgeting community on a budget because this was free. So yeah, oh, let me show you the back. It's the place where you put your coins. Only thing is if I have a lot of coins, yeah, because this little area is kind of flat, but yeah, that's it. So that is going to conclude this video. Thank you for tuning in. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.